Welcome to Pack Hacker Overpacked episode number 3, where we're going to be covering everything going on with Pack Hacker, as well as announcing a very exciting giveaway that we've put together with Aer. This month we are coming to you from beautiful Porto, Portugal. We've got the whole team here for our first official offsite, so that's been super exciting, and it's great to have everybody together.
If you're interested in seeing more of what we're up to here in Porto and a little bit of behind the scenes, then make sure you're following @PackHacker on Instagram and check out our Instagram stories. And in fact, here's some of them now.
The team and I have been hard at work creating new detailed reviews and guides for you, not to mention our first packing list video that we launched last week. This packing list is great for perpetual travelers, as well as people that want to do more work remotely while they're on the road. And we're excited to announce our giveaway with Aer. So from that list, we're going to be giving away the Aer Travel Pack 2, as well as the Aer Travel Kit. The Aer Travel Pack 2 is a really great size and has a good mix of organization and main leader capacity. And personally, I have really enjoyed traveling with it. So we're going to be giving that away. It's got a sleek, minimalistic look that looks professional on the road and doesn't get to stick out like a sore thumb in an urban environment. We're also giving away the Aer Travel Kit, and if you optimize your toiletries, you can fit a lot of stuff in there really well. Not to mention the convenient hook that you can use to hang it up somewhere in the bathroom and save a lot of counter space. It's especially useful if you're at a hostel or traveling with multiple people and you kind of want to keep that space a little emptier for them to use as well. Make sure to click or tap the link in the description, visit that packing list page over on our website, and get more details on how to enter in the giveaway. I'll also note that we're working on a couple of other packing lists, so be sure to stay tuned for the sustainability packing list that Hannah is working on. And just to note, we're also adding women's specific gear to these as well. So we're working on testing a couple items now, seeing what fits, seeing what works. We want to make sure that we really give things a thorough look before we add them to the list. Last month, we also posted 2 thorough and detailed guides on the site as well. And the first is centered around remote working. So since a lot of our team members work in different countries and we do a lot of traveling together, we've picked up a lot of tips on the road on how to work remotely in the best way possible. In the guide, we cover the best places to work, from coffee shops to co-working spaces, as well as how to find the best Wi-Fi when you're on the road, because sometimes that can be a bit problematic. And we cover our best gear recommendations so you can decide what to get and what to skip. We also pooled our collective knowledge, as well as reached out to other seasoned travelers close to us to create a general guide on how to create the best packing list for you. Everyone has different needs on the road, so we wanted to create a broad resource that could work for everyone. We cover how to select the perfect luggage or backpack from you, and a couple tips on things to do before you leave for your trip. We also teach you to pack the right way, and also include some recommendations for packing cubes and other ideas on how to best organize your luggage. And then we have specific gear recommendations. So we cover a lot of the essentials that we think most people should have on the road. And then we also have some nice to haves that you can sort of fit into your specific travel style and situation. For more specific gear recommendations, make sure to stay tuned for those themed packing lists. Thanks for taking a look at this episode of Pack Hacker Overpacked. If you haven't done so already, be sure to check that link in the description below to sign up for our big Aer giveaway. Thanks for checking this out. We'll see you in the next video.